Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is electric current. What is electric current? Electric current is simply it is a flow of electric charge through the cross section of a conductor. The flow of electric charge through the cross conductor is known as electric current. If we are having this as a conductor, and if we would take any cross section of the conductor, that is a cross section. A cross section, it is having a uniform cross section. I will say the thickness. So the flow of electric charge through the cross section of conductor is known as electric current. Actually, we know that there are huge number of free electrons present in this very conductor, but in absence of the conductor, they are moving. If we are having electron, it is going to move randomly like this, like this, like this. There will not be a net movement, net flow of charge in a particular direction in absence of electric field. But once electric field is applied to the same conductor, so an electric field is applied, this is the positive. By means of electric field, we have to say a cell or a battery is applied. Now the electrons are going to move through this very cross section. So the flow of charge through the cross section of a conductor, once now electrons are going to move like this. For electrons, they are going to move in this very direction, in a particular direction, opposite to the direction of electric field. And thus we can say there is what? There is current. This current I equals to what? Q over T. Where Q is the charge. Simply the flow of charge through the cross section of a conductor in unit time is known as what? Electric current. So in presence of this very electric field, the electrons which are having negatively charged are moving towards the positive terminal of the cell, or they are moving opposite to the direction of electric field. We have to remember here that the direction of the positive charge gives the direction of electric current. The conventional direction of electric current is from positive to negative, because earlier it was thought that it is the positive charge which flows. Later on it was found that it is the electron actually which moves from one end to another end. So the flow of electrons constitute the electric current, and the direction of this electrons is opposite to the direction of conventional current. So this is the movement of electrons, and this is the direction of conventional current. After that, we should have the units of current. We know the SI unit of current is ampere, as SI unit of current is ampere. So 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb by 1 second. That is 1A is equal to 1 C per second. So current through a conductor is said to be 1 ampere when a charge of 1 coulomb flows through it in 1 second. When a charge of one coulomb flows through the cross section of it in 1 second, then we will say the current is said to be 1 ampere. It's the SI unit of current. We can have another units of current like 1 microampere. Microampere is 1 × 10⁻⁻6 ampere. 1 nanoampere. Nanoampere is 10⁻⁹ ampere. 1 picoampere is equal to 10⁻⁻12 ampere. 1 kiloampere will be 10⁻³ ampere. So these will be the units of this free current. But we have to discuss that current, although it's having the magnitude now, it is having the direction from positive to negative, but still it is a scalar. Why it is scalar? Because it does not obey the vector laws of algebra. It is added simply. It is added by common laws of algebra. Like this, if we are having this as a current, and here it is also the direction of current, and they are going like this. If it is 2 ampere, it is 3 ampere, it will be simply 5 ampere. Right? If the same, for example, this is again the 3 ampere current coming like this, and we are having this as a 2 ampere current, and this is the net. This is really simply 5 ampere. No doubt there is angle 90, there is something else. It does not depend upon the angle. It does not obey the vector laws of algebra. It obeys simply the ordinary law of algebra. That is why it is taken as what? Scalar quantity. So this is the lecture regarding electric current. Tomorrow will be with another lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.